Just
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glowed.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hey, I am Shaki. I do lifestyle vlogs, beauty videos, so if you're interested in those kind of content, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, click that bell so you're notified whenever I make a video. So guys, today is the eve of Christmas. So yes, today is the 23rd of December and today's Saturday, so Christmas Eve is gonna be on a Sunday. So in Jamaica, for most of because I think most of my viewers are Jamaicans, so but for those who aren't, in Jamaica we have something called Grad-market, and I think the main one is going to be today and then like probably a mini one tomorrow. So we're going to be heading out to the main one today, and then there's going to be one closer to us tomorrow. So after church and something, we'll just take a walk around there. So this is going to be the Christmas Eve vlog. So yes, hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're notified when I make a video. Leave a comment, and I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Okay guys, the first thing on this vlog I want to do is to show you guys what my room looks like for the Christmas. I just finished cleaning and putting on the finishing touches. I had done like one part before, but the main bed I just did a while ago, well today, plus I had some clothes to fold. So I'm gonna show you the tour before I actually nasty up this room again for nothing else start coming there. So I'm just going to show you what the room looks like. All right. So this is it. So I did change up my dresser, so that's one thing that I did change, and I changed up how I had my bed. So this one was over here, so I changed that, so this over there. So yeah, this is like a little settee setting. We got some red curtains over here, and then this is the main bed. I wanted a blanket duvet cover, but I did not get it, so I used the top sheet to make one style. But yeah, so this is it. My puppy that was washed. Yeah. Oh, I forgot, guys. Let me show you something. I forgot to show you that. So I don't remember if you remember last year, I got this and it broke, but the part that was left, it's still working. So I put that on my bed head. It reached up to that point and I love it. So anyways, this is my nightstand, innovative nightstand. Yeah, I pulled out a nice little candle for this season. It's the, what's this, focus, honey crisp apple made with essential oils. So that's the one I'm burning right now. It's a remote for the thing. Yeah. This is like my to-do list section. Yeah. What else did I change? I don't know. Yeah, that's that. Yay. So yes, that is the change in my room. Loving it, love it, especially the lights. It's so cute. Anyways, so right now I'm hungry, so I need to get something to eat. I haven't had breakfast. Don't even know what time it is, but I know, so make it up before 7 o'clock. Yeah, so I was trying to get some stuff done and I did. So I'm going to get something to eat. I have to bake. Let me show you my to-do list. All right, so for now, I already folded my clothes, I already put them away, and I cleaned the room. So I only have the bathroom to clean and to bake. So that's what's on it for today, and then I get ready for later. Alright guys, so right now I'm actually cleaning my bathroom. So this is a very real vlog, people. I never hide nothing. So yes, I had plugged in. I started because my phone was charging, so I just went for it. So I'm actually cleaning the bath now. But I want this because the fumes from the thing that I spray in here is bothering me. So yeah.
Yeah, I know it's been a little while, but I gotta let them know. Yeah, gotta let them know. If you ever been down, opportunity to grow. Yeah, I know you having trouble understanding it. If you trust in God, He got His hands in it. I promise He'll protect you like it's lamb in it. He don't get the glory if the man did it. You gotta stand with Him. I know. Yeah, life gets hard and it feels like it's no way out. Yeah. Promise if you just keep going, it'll all work out. Yeah, cause that's my God. He won't let you go by fire. All you need to know right now, He gon' pick you up, give you love right now. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So that's all. I did cut this some years ago to make like the curtains for here. So I guess what, I can't find it. So I also can't find the thing that matches this. So it's a thing that you put the tissue in that my mom made to go with this. We need to find it. Like I don't know where I put it, so I need to find it. But in the meantime, let me put this up. So we're just going to use that still. Alright, so I'm going to clean the mirror and then I think I'm done for now. Yeah. Hey guys, so I am ready. I'm going to be showing you guys my outfit. I wore this outfit last year to think a pastor event thingy, so I know you guys saw this outfit already. Anyway, so this is the hair. Yeah, I love it. Anyways, let me show you the outfit. So I'm wearing this. It's this, what do I call it, long sleeved sweater thing, or yeah, it says Merry Christmas. Yeah. And I'm wearing this red biker shorts, and I'm wearing it with this. What if we can't hold up this? This. So it's a red shoe thing. Yeah. Yeah. So yes, I'm gonna get something to eat right now. I'm hungry. When you hear my son, let me congested, I am. I don't know what has been going on. I've been coughing, stuffy. I don't know. Really don't know. At first, well, I think it's my sinus, but I don't know. Look for me to watch. Me and my sister wearing red and black, so we decided to just use red and black. Yeah, so this is like an early Christmas gift from my cousin. So yeah, maybe I'll get something to eat. Yeah.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death, God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God. I wanna go to Godly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go to Godly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I know you know me well. I feel invisible until you tell me you're right here. I cancel plans with you to meet with sin and break your heart. Sometimes I go to you for what you give, not who you are. I wonder if you'll leave for me. God, just tell me what you need from me. Is the Holy Spirit still in me? God, I'm asking you for clarity, even though you told me already. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God.
Good morning, guys. So it is Sunday, the eve of Christmas. So last night we got back so late. Well, not that late actually. Other years we don't normally get back later. So we got back, I think I went to bed at 12, and we came back and we packed out stuff and all of that. So we came back probably about 11 or so. Yeah. So this morning we have church, and I picked up my clothes, and then I have to bake today. I didn't get to bake yesterday. I'm gonna have to bake today, and then we have a little next Grand Market ish. Like, me literally never get for showing nothing yesterday because I cannot walk through those crowds with the phone in my hand. Yeah, I have to walk fast and push through crowds, so yeah. And we weren't in it too. We never really go for buy that much stuff. We went for some necessary stuff, so yeah, and just for look. Yeah, so we're gonna get ready for church. Just finish irons, and I'll try to find something to eat, and then we'll see how it go. He's the lily of the valley, the bright and morning star. He's the fairest of 10,000 to my soul. Alright guys, so I forgot to show you guys like what the end product of the cake looks like. Literally, both three of them supposed to be like, because it's past Christmas Day. So this is what the cake looks like. Yeah, and I baked quite, I think when I was finished I had about 2 big one, 2 small one, and then I got 2 of these. So these are like the bird teams. Yeah, 2 of those. Hey guys, so it is Sunday evening. It's time. I was actually baking, and like I felt so sick that I was saying I just want to run through this baking thing. My hands were even swelling. They still feel kind of swollen. I don't know what happened. I'm having some allergic reaction or something to something. I don't know. So we're about to actually go out to the other Grand Market for today. It's walking distance, so I don't need to go far. So I'm ready. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. I tried. So it's dark, so I have to try and use the mirror. So I'm wearing my head thing. Yeah, my little reindeer head thing. I'm wearing my shirt that says I run on coffee and Christmas cheer. I'm wearing my, what do you call this, barefoot kind of jeans and my Crocs. So yeah, that's the fit for tonight. And I'm carrying my sweater over there because I know it's gonna be cold. I already sound stuffy, so pray for me. Alright, yeah, this is the fit. I'm gonna take some pics for myself and for my mom, and then that'll be it. See the tree, mom. Hey guys, I am back. I'm tired. Just but so I came back up. I just spent like a few minutes down there, not even an hour. So yeah, I'm gonna head to bed. I'm just closing off the vlog. Yeah, so thanks guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, my camera nice, and subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.